Let's use our steps to figure out how to split up and say this 3-syllable pseudo word. We know that first we must find the vowels in the word. I see A, I, and E. Next, we will look for the consonants in between the vowel letters. Between the A and the I, there are consonant letters N and T. Those are a blend, nt. We will keep them with the first syllable. Then we will look at the next two vowel letters. I see I and E, and in between the I and E, I see a G and an M. That is not a blend or a digraph, so we will split the word in between those two consonants. Next, we'll break up the word to see the different syllables. B-L-A-N-T. I see one vowel letter followed by one or more consonants. That means that's a closed syllable. So the vowel letter will say the short vowel sound, ah. The syllable is blant. Next, we have I-G. Again, we have one vowel letter followed by a consonant. So this is a closed syllable. The sound will be I. The syllable is ig. And last, we have M-E-N-T. Once again, we have a vowel letter followed by one or more consonant letters. The sound, so that's a closed syllable. The sound will be eh, and the syllable ment. So we have blant, ig, mint. Blantigment.